in your dashboard. This right here. There it is, clean. Appreciate the follow, man. Space Dive, appreciate the follow. I had just felt like that the G-Body crew needed to be notified when that G-Body make a pass like that. You know what I'm saying? People that's G-Body lovers be wanting to see that. So that's what I was thinking. I need to tag. Y'all seen them flames? I was about to say, man, he did that big burnout for a 7-0. But no, he ain't. He did. We finna run a number, y'all. Parachute.
That looked so funny, bro. That looked like somebody shot their load real quick. He just fell off the starting line.
Okay. What's going on, man?
Not much.
Trying to run camouflage on me.
I'm just looking around.
You ain't flying the Hummingbird tonight, huh?
No. I got a new sales slogan, man. You buy, I fly.
If you don't buy, no fly.
No fly.
I hear you.
No buy, no fly.
I'm grounded in Hummingbird.
No buy, no fly.
Got the legendary Little Blue on the line. That's right, Little Blue out of Arkansas. I tell you what, man.
Y'all like that slogan? XTREME. He said, man, some a bitch right here coming up, y'all. Get out the goddamn way. I ain't racing mine. Hell no. y'all. Yeah, it's fast. Function say this thing is so ugly, it gotta be fast. Yeah. It makes a full pass. Same thing I said, Golden State. His nitrous didn't come on though. Something ain't right with the nitrous, man. It's been our way some the last couple times I done seen it. I don't know what they ain't from over here though. They ain't from over. It be something every time I see it though. The last time it was at Motorplex, it was something. They'll get it right. That was on the motor. That was pretty cool.